Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best birthday spa kit on the market, the 60 PCS Spa Party Supplies for Girls. If you're planning a birthday bash, a slumber party, or a relaxing girls' night in, this all-in-one set from KONEUK could be exactly what you need. Let's set the scene. Imagine a group of friends gathered for a sleepover or birthday celebration. Everyone's got their own silky headband on, soft music playing, and it's time for a spa night. That's where this 60-piece kit shines. It's a complete spa experience in one beautifully packaged box. Inside the kit, you get 6 of everything: facial masks, hand creams, lip balms, lip masks, under eye patches, foot bath bombs, compressed towels, organza gift bags, silky headbands, and even skincare cards. That means you can comfortably host a spa party for 6 people without scrambling for extras. The consistency and variety of items give every guest their own little set to enjoy and take home. Now let's talk quality. Each item in this set is crafted with gentle, plant-based ingredients. The face masks deliver a deep hit of hydration thanks to collagen-rich essence. Your skin will feel nourished and refreshed. The lip balm and mask combo work beautifully to soothe and soften dry lips, while the hand cream is a true savior for cracked skin. The under-eye patches give a cooling, depuffing effect, perfect after a long day, and the foot bath bombs? They add a calming, aromatic touch that's as relaxing as it is fun. One thing that makes this kit stand out is how well it's organized for gift-giving or party favors. Each guest can receive their set inside a sheer organza bag with a skincare instruction card. It adds a thoughtful, curated touch, like you went the extra mile, without actually needing to. And yes, everything smells amazing. The subtle plant-based scents give off that spa-like vibe without being overpowering. It's also incredibly versatile. This isn't just for birthdays. Think sleepovers, bridal showers, baby showers, Mother's Day gifts, or just a girls' night at home. It's great for kids, teens, and even adults who want to unwind with a low-effort spa night. Whether you're the party planner or the guest, this set lets everyone take part in some much-needed self-care. Presentation-wise, the packaging is clean, charming, and well thought out. It feels like a premium product, but at a price that makes sense when you consider everything included. To wrap up, this 60 PCS Spa Party Supplies set by KONEUK is more than just a party favor bundle. It's a full experience packed into one box. Thoughtful, affordable, fun, and effective. Whether you're 9 or 39, it's a crowd pleaser that delivers every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real takes on top products. See you in the next one.